time and circumstance don't always work in our favor. What might have been if we just had the chance is something we may never know. But God looks down and sees. He knows us better than we do. He sees what we are and what more we could be. It's all in the way that we go. He values all of us, no matter what talent or gift we possess. He wants each one of us to be as caring as He is. So you're my friend, 'cause you're always there through our ups and downs and through all we've shared. And I'm there when you need someone, when things are hard to bear. I'll be the friend you need. You can count on me. We weep with those who weep, sharing the things that we're feeling. But sometimes our tears may be all that can speak, expressing what words cannot say. Troubles can bring us down. Jehovah can lift us and carry us through. We all can do the same and help each other as friends do. And you're my friend, 'cause you're always there through our ups and downs and through all we've shared. And I'm there when you need someone, when things are hard to bear. I'll be the friend you need. You can count on me. You're always there through our ups and downs and through all we've shared. And I'm there when you need someone, when things are hard to bear.